Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, or AI for short. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just someone curious about how AI impacts our daily lives, you've probably heard terms like narrow AI and general AI. But what do they really mean? In this video, we're going to break these concepts down in a simple and straightforward way, so you can understand the differences between narrow AI and general AI. So, let's get started. But first, let me ask you this. Have you ever wondered why your smartphone can recognize your voice, but it can't hold a conversation like a human? What gives? This brings us to our main topic. The two types of AI are narrow AI and general AI. Let's start with narrow AI. Also known as weak AI, this is the type of artificial intelligence that we encounter in our everyday lives. Narrow AI is designed to perform a specific task or a limited range of tasks. Think of it as a specialist in one particular area. For instance, voice assistants like Siri and Alexa are great examples of narrow AI. They can understand your commands, play your favorite songs, or even tell you the weather. However, if you ask them to engage in a deep philosophical debate or solve a complex math problem, they might struggle. They excel in their designated tasks but lack the broader understanding or awareness we associate with human intelligence. To put some numbers behind this, a study from Stanford University found that over 90% of AI applications currently in use are examples of narrow AI. That's a staggering figure! Narrow AI is everywhere, from recommendation algorithms on Netflix suggesting your next binge watch to chatbots assisting you while you shop online. Now, let's shift gears and talk about general AI, also known as strong AI. This is the type of AI that is still largely theoretical at this point. General AI would possess the ability to understand, learn, and apply intelligence across a wide range of tasks, much like a human being. Imagine AI that could not only hold a conversation but also understand context, emotions, and even think critically. General AI would be able to learn any intellectual task that a human can do. For example, it could write a novel, compose music, or even innovate in a scientific field. While we've made tremendous strides in AI technology, we have yet to create a system that can mimic the full breadth of human cognitive abilities. To give you an idea of how far we are from achieving general AI, let's look at some data. According to a report by the McKinsey Global Institute, it could take another 20 to 30 years before we see any form of general AI that can perform tasks at human-like capabilities. That's a long way off, but researchers are making strides every day. Now, let's break down some key differences between narrow AI and general AI. 1. Functionality. Narrow AI is designed to perform specific tasks, while general AI would be capable of performing any intellectual task a human can do. 2. Learning. Narrow AI can learn from data but is limited to its predefined functions. In contrast, general AI would have the ability to learn and adapt across multiple domains and tasks. 3. Context understanding. Narrow AI often lacks contextual awareness, which can lead to misunderstandings. General AI, however, would be able to understand context and nuances in conversations and situations. For current usage, as mentioned, narrow AI is prevalent in many applications today. General AI, on the other hand, is still a concept being researched and theorized. So, why does all of this matter? Understanding the distinction between narrow and general AI helps us grasp the capabilities and limitations of the technology we interact with daily. It also raises important questions about the future of AI and its implications for society. For example, as narrow AI becomes more embedded in our lives, it's essential to consider how it affects our jobs, privacy, and even our relationships. Will narrow AI take over certain professions? How should we regulate AI technologies to ensure they are used ethically? As for general AI, it opens up a whole new frontier of possibilities and challenges. If we ever reach that level of intelligence, how do we manage its power? These are complex questions that will require careful thought and discussion as technology continues to evolve. To wrap up, we've explored the key differences between narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI is already a part of our everyday lives, performing specific tasks efficiently, while general AI remains an exciting concept for the future with the potential to revolutionize our world. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And let us know in the comments, what are your thoughts on the future of AI? Do you think we'll see general AI in our lifetime? Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious.